Living in Fort Lauderdale means enjoying year-round sunshine, ocean breezes, and warm temperatures. However, that tropical comfort can also come with high energy bills as homeowners rely heavily on air conditioning to stay cool. One of the most effective, yet often overlooked, ways to reduce energy costs is by investing in professional window installation. The right windows can make a significant difference in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term savings. Understanding energy efficiency in windows play a vital role in your home's energy performance. Poorly installed or outdated windows can let cool air escape and allow warm, humid air to enter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Fort Lauderdale's humid climate, this constant strain leads to higher utility bills and uneven indoor temperatures. Modern, energy-efficient windows are engineered to minimize heat transfer. With features such as low emissivity coatings, double or triple pane glass, and argon gas fills, these windows act as barriers against heat gain and loss. They reflect infrared light, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, while still allowing natural light to shine through. The importance of professional installation: even the best energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, or poor sealing can allow air leaks that undermine all the benefits of new windows. Professional window installation ensures that each unit is properly fitted, sealed, and insulated to prevent energy loss. Experienced installers also understand Fort Lauderdale's specific building codes and weather conditions. They use moisture-resistant materials and techniques designed to handle the region's humidity, coastal winds, and potential for heavy rain. The result is a longer-lasting installation that protects both your home and your investment. Reduced air conditioning costs. In South Florida, air conditioning often accounts for a large percentage of monthly energy expenses. By improving insulation and reducing air infiltration, new windows can significantly ease the workload on your cooling system. When less hot air seeps in, your air conditioner doesn't have to run as often or as long to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Homeowners in Fort Lauderdale typically see a 10% to 30% reduction in energy bills after upgrading to high-efficiency windows. Over time, those savings can offset the initial installation cost and continue to pay dividends for years to come. UV protection and interior preservation. Energy-efficient windows do more than keep your home comfortable, they protect your interiors as well. Fort Lauderdale's strong sunlight can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Low-E coatings on modern windows block up to 90% of harmful UV rays, preserving your decor and reducing the need for costly replacements or repairs. Increased comfort and home value. New, professionally installed windows enhance both the comfort and value of your home. They reduce drafts, minimize outdoor noise, and improve temperature consistency throughout your living space. In Fort Lauderdale's competitive real estate market, energy efficiency is a strong selling point. Buyers are willing to pay more for homes that promise lower utility bills and better comfort year-round. Choosing the right windows for Fort Lauderdale. To maximize energy savings, homeowners should choose windows specifically designed for South Florida's subtropical climate. Look for Energy Star certified windows rated for the southern climate zone. Impact-resistant glass, which adds protection during storm season. Vinyl or fiberglass frames, which resist moisture and won't warp or corrode. Working with a local window installation company ensures you get products and materials suited to Fort Lauderdale's environment, installed by professionals who understand the area's unique challenges. A smart investment for long-term savings. Replacing your windows is one of the smartest energy-saving investments you can make as a Fort Lauderdale homeowner. Beyond the immediate comfort benefits, you'll enjoy reduced energy bills, greater durability, and enhanced property value. With proper installation and quality materials, your windows will keep your home efficient and beautiful for decades. In short, professional window installation in Fort Lauderdale isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in your home's future, your comfort, and your energy savings.